Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have mice, lady, and letter. So Scorpios, in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your work situation or in this relationship in your personal life, maybe there are people in your situation, work, maybe they are trying to use your talents and they are posing as your friend or a family member, using your resources, your skills and talents in your work, and they are going to eat away your confidence and peace of mind bit by bit. So at first they may seem to be a very friendly person, someone really good to be with, but bit by bit they are going to eat away all that peace of mind or your happiness, and they are going to use you in some ways, guys, use your ideas or efforts to benefit themselves. So you need to be really careful with this person, guys. Maybe if you have a friendly person, a new person you don't know anything about, you need to stay away from them until you build that trust on that person, guys, until you know that they are reliable and honest. And maybe in your relationship, Scorpios, this person you love, they are someone really beautiful, confident, and they have they have their ambition, goals in mind. Maybe for some reason they are they love you, but still they don't want a deeper commitment. Maybe they want to achieve certain things in their life first before coming into commitment with you, guys. And Scorpios, I also see we have this card here. So there is some kind of a good news or a communication reaching you. It may be a positive communication in your work, or some kind of an important information reaching you today, or an announcement or an invitation. So maybe this person you love, they are inviting you to some important family meeting. Maybe they want you to meet their parents. So some announcements or invitations are what I see, guys, for you all, and it is something really positive. It is a game changer. That is what I would say. So you never expected this from this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is child. So with this card, it just means a birth of a new phase in this connection. Maybe you are stepping into a deeper responsibility, a new beginning in your love situation. So it may be an invitation or a good news, maybe, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are having a child, starting a family. So a positive news is what I see for y'all, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is bouquet. So even if you are, what to say, having some difficulties in your work, we saw that someone with the previous card, someone is trying to use your skills and talents. Even if that is the case, you are going to come out of that difficult situation very soon, Scorpios, and things are falling into place in your work situation, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for y'all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun where you enjoy each other, and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.